Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Erica Lucas. You're looking at the before of my very small pantry. It's just these two cabinets in my kitchen. We don't have a dedicated space for a pantry, so I just sacrificed two cabinets to keep stock of, our basic inventory for meals. I do meal plans, so I have some standard ingredients that I keep on hand. And I just pulled everything off the shelves and just tried to organize a little bit better by category. Even though it's small, every time I open it, I have to hunt for what I'm looking for. So I thought a little organization would be good. And I'm also repurposing my blue bins that were in my linen closet upstairs. I gave them a wash and now I'm repurposing them in my pantry. This bin I'm building here is a meals bin. It's a standard bin for me that has all of our typical ingredients for meals I make mostly every week. Pasta visual, beef stew, noodle night is big for us. And so I'm just putting everything back on the shelves here. Groceries is an area that I've been working on trimming down the expense for, and just meal planning and making the same meals each week so I can stretch ingredients. And it's been really helpful starting our budget for 2020 to be able to do that. These were left over from my basement declutter. I gave quite a few of them to my teacher friend, but I had ended up buying 10 of these sets for some reason. And so now I'm just I'm now using them here to label my bins. They are dry erase clip labels from Target Dollar Spot. And I'm just putting them on the bins and I'm going to try it out. Hopefully the dry erase doesn't wipe away often, but I figure it would be easy for me to change these out if these bins need to change. So my categories are, baking, sweets, snacks. This is my meal bin. These are all the standard things that I need every week. I make chicken and gravy in the crock pot. I make pasta visual, beef stew. So these are all the ingredients that I need each week. And I haven't made them yet this week, so that's why this bin is pretty full. One thing I've mentioned before, we've been drifting away from snack time. I used to plan snack time. Now look what's in this sad little bin. I have some grocery snacks coming, but that's all the kids really have access to. We do meals, and then of course they can have fruit or yogurt, which is either on the counter or in the refrigerator. This is my easy lunches shelf here. Peanut butter jelly, mac and cheese, soup, noodle night, and then I've got my baking bin, and down here just some standard things for baking, sugar and flour, and then my meals bin. Over on the other side of this cabinet here, I started utilizing for extra pantry stuff. Right now it just has paper goods, and then I have my sweets bin. Hopefully the kids don't find this here. I may have to move this to higher ground, but we shall see. It's just, go-to sweets and treats, and sometimes motivation. I am not above bribing my children to do something. So here we are. This is the finished organization of my small pantry. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Here's a link to my latest video.